Subscribe if you've ever been to Smoky Mountains National Park. Cades Cove is an isolated valley located in the Tennessee section of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Subscribe if you love to travel. Today, Cades Cove is one of the most visited areas in Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Explore historic cabins, churches, and a gristmill. Spot white-tailed deer, lots of turkeys, and black bears. Enjoy gorgeous mountain scenery, or take a leisurely bicycle ride around the Loop Road. If you like nature and enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.